welcome back to our channel. Today's video is more than just a story, it's a journey of hope and empowerment. Join us as we explore the profound impact of social media on mental health and discover the transformative power of financial education in getting a legal new credit file that breaks you free from the chains of despair. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay inspired on this incredible ride. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches the hearts of many: social media depression. But fear not, because we're not just here to talk about the struggles. We're here to guide you towards a brighter future. I'm Mark Davis, and you're watching Credit Privacy News. Let's get to it. In a world dominated by likes, shares, and filters, it's easy to feel the weight of social media on our shoulders. We scroll through perfectly curated lives, and it can take a toll on our mental health. But here's the thing, you're not alone. Many of us have been there, and today, we're breaking the silence. Social media depression is real, but so is the power within you to change the narrative. Now, let's shift the focus from despair to empowerment. It's time for a turning point in your life, and it starts with financial education. Understanding how money works gives you the tools to shape your own destiny. Knowledge is the key that unlocks doors. Imagine a life where financial stress is a thing of the past, but what if past financial decisions are haunting you? That's where a legal new credit file comes in. We're not just talking numbers, we're talking about starting over fresh and rebuilding dreams while securing a brighter future. Your credit score doesn't define you, it's a stepping stone to a life of financial freedom. It's time to break free from the chains that bind you socially and financially. Take that first step towards a life of fulfillment and joy. You have the strength within you to make a change. Let's embark on this journey together. With a legal new credit file by the guidance of the 1974 Privacy Act law, you can start over with a fresh credit identity. Gone are the days of being stuck. At LegalNewCreditFile.com, we can help you shape a new financial future and give you the tools for positive change. Break the chains of despair, embrace the power of knowledge, and let financial freedom be your guiding light. Together, we can make a change. Contact us today.